My name is Shrikant Edam and welcome to my YouTube channel S Edam Techie. Today we are going to discuss what are the network components we require for to form a network. So first of all is LAN cable. Okay, how we choose the LAN cable? So earlier we used to have LAN Cat5 cable, Cat5e cable, but nowadays we have Cat 6 and 6A cable. So the latest cable will support more frequency, long distance support and increased bandwidth, data carrying capacity. So here I have some comparisons. So Cat5 and Cat5e are the older cables with a frequency of 100 megahertz, 100 megahertz, and it will have RJ45 connector. So the same RJ45 connector will be used to connect to the computer and the networking device. And these are the speed guys, 100 Mbps, and it will be gigabit Ethernet port. Okay, so now we have Cat 6 and 6A. It will have more frequency, more data carrying capacity and increased bandwidth and long distance support. And now later we have cat 7 and cat 7a cables, so it will be not used in the LAN networking. Okay, now we need a switch. Okay, to form a LAN connection we need a switch. First we will connect the LAN cable to the switch, then we will connect the other LAN at other end to the computer. Now you have to assign the IP address to form a network. So what are the types of cabling do we need? Here we have two types of cabling. One is a straight cabling, one is called cross cabling. So if you observe the cables inside this cat 5 or cat 6 cable, we will have 8 different wires inside it. So depending upon how you configure it, you can form the communication. So what exactly is straight cabling? Straight cabling means you can connect a switch to router, two different devices, switch to PC or server, hub to PC. So using straight cabling, you can connect two different devices to form the communication. But if you are using cross cabling, it is not possible. Cross cabling is only possible when you want to connect two same devices, switch to switch, router to router, PC to PC, hub to hub, server to server. Okay, so what exactly is straight cabling and cross cabling? So here inside a straight cabling, so here 8 wires will be configured like this. The first one will be the white and white orange. White orange cable will be connected first. Second we will have orange cable. Third we will have white green. The fourth one we will have blue. Fifth white blue, green, white brown and brown. At the other end also it will be configured in the same way. So that is called straight cabling. So when it comes to cross cabling, the color combination will be little different. Okay, so this is called cross cabling. So using of cross cabling, he will be done first to configure switch to switch same devices, switch to hub, hub to hub, router to router, router to NIC card, LAN card, and PC to PC. In order to, if you want to communicate same devices, we use cross cabling. So here you can see one more screenshot. This is switch, this is hub. So both are networking device, but here you are using straight cabling. So this is switch and this is a computer, switch and server, switch and your machine, switch one more server. Both are different devices. Here the same devices are used, but they are using cross cabling. So thank you for watching guys. Please do subscribe, like and share it with your friends. Meet you in next class. Thank you.